Hello students, in our today's lecture we are going to study about topic number 1.3, physics, technology and society. Now before I start this topic, I hope all of you are listening to this video and watching it carefully. I would advise you to read the textbook also. You must have the habit of going through each and every line of the textbook. Now, in this topic, we will study that how physics is helpful for the development of technology and how this technology is useful to the society. Now we know that we use computers, TV, fan, washing machine, air conditioners, and many other devices. So, what are these devices? So, do we know that these all are related to physics? They are all the inventions of physics. Now, when something is made better than the previous thing, then we can say that the technology is involved in it. Now, students, we know that we use many devices and gadgets for various purposes. For example, we use vehicles for the transportation to move from one place to other. We use fan, washing machine, air conditioners, etc. Also, we use the TV, computers, tape recorders. These all are nothing but the inventions due to physics, or we can say that the invention related to physics. Now, if an invention is made, for example, the invention of computer. The computer in earlier days was having a large size, the size of a room, we can say. It has a size of a room. But after that, due to the development of technology, the size of the computer reduced from that huge size of that of a room. Now it size reduced to the size of our mobile phone or a cell phone. So that is all due to technology. Even the functions of that earlier computer was limited, but nowadays we know that with the help of computer many functions can be done, as well as the speed of the computer was improved. So the thing is same only. That was also computer which is of the size of room, Even this is also a computer, but the difference is that the functions, speed, reliability, and many other features were improved. See the word improved, and that improvement is nothing but it is technology. And this development in technology, it helps us, means the people. And what does this people mean? It is society. Society means it is a group of people. So this technology is always helpful to the society. So this was an example how the technology is developed. Here an example of steam engine is given. In earlier days or earlier times, people use their muscle power or animal power for the transportation. But after the invention of steam engine, now the work is done with the help of machines. Now the animals are not used, even the human beings, their muscle power is not used. The steam engine is used for the transportation. This steam engine is nothing but it is invention due to thermodynamics, in which heat energy gets converted to the work. And after this invention of steam engine in England, the Great Revolution came in the 18th century. With the help of this steam engine, the transportation became easy. Also, the new technologies, they help in the development of again to the physics. Here an example is given: the wireless communication technology. Because of the discovery of electricity and the magnetism, this wireless communication system developed. We know that waves, electromagnetic waves, these radiations by which the communication is done, they are electromagnetic waves. And these all inventions in this communication system is due to the technology helped in physics. A scientist named Rutherford, he dismissed the possibility of trapping, means gaining energy from the atoms. Means he said that we cannot get the energy from the atoms. But after few years, Hahn and Meitner, they discovered the phenomena in which the nuclear fission process takes place in the uranium, and from this process lots of energy is released. We know that the nuclear process is also a process related to atom, because nucleus is in the atom. So we can say that the energy obtained from the nucleus is also tremendous. and that energy can be used in two ways: for the betterment of human beings, or sometimes for the destruction also. If we want to generate the electricity, then also we can use this nuclear energy. Also, the weapons like nuclear bombs can also be made. So, these are nothing but the physics involved in technology. Now, here one more example is given of the physics which gave rise to the technology. Now, here given that a silicon chip, students, as I had given an example of computer revolution, means the size of the computer gets reduced, the speed of the computer increased, and many other features were improved in a computer. The memory power of the computer increased, the calculation power which was increased. All this is due to this silicon chip. Most of the components which are used in the computer, like integrated circuit, that is IC, diodes, transistors, etc., these are due to this silicon chips. By using this type of components, the consumption of power, electric power, also get reduced, and so it helped to make the computers more reliable. Now, for getting the energy for various purpose, we use the fossil fuels. Now we know that what are these fossil fuels: coal, petrol, diesel, etc. But we know that these natural resources, they are limited, and so there is a need of some alternate energy resources. So due to physics and technology, scientists, they are trying to discover the alternate of these fossil fuels. And we know that nowadays solar energy, geothermal energy, and other energies like wind energy, etc., are used. So for this type of development in physics and the technology, many physicists, they have a major contribution. Some of the inventions are given in this table number 1.2. The inventions and the name of the scientist and of which country they are. These all things are given in this table. You can see here the names are given, the discovery or the contribution in the field of physics, and of which country they are. So students, casually go through this table. No need to memorize it. Just only for the information you have to go through this table.